ready to unleash your inner comedian. Imagine effortlessly turning any image into a laugh-out-loud video within minutes. The best part, it's completely free.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Get ready to unleash your creativity because today I have something truly amazing to share with you. Today, I'll show you how to transform your images or drawings into funny animations using a powerful AI tool, and the best part? It'll take you just 1 minute or even less. You can use this tool to motivate your kids by animating their drawings, or you can use it to create animations for content creation. You must have your image and drawing before you can create animation. In this video, I am using this image. You can use AI image generator websites like Playground, Canva, Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, Blue Willow, and more AI websites. So let's get started. Step 1, click on the description link to Go Animated Drawing website. Click on the Get Started button to continue. Step 2, in this step, you need to upload your image or drawing. Click the Upload button and choose your file. OK, click on the Next button. Step 3, select your character's area and click Next. Step 4, the AI will automatically create a mask on your character. If the mask does not cover all of your image areas, you can manually add or remove selections using the pencil and eraser buttons. After doing that, click Next. Step 5, set the joints for your character by clicking and dragging them. This step is very important for your character's movement. So do that very carefully. Click Next when you are done setting the joints. Step 6, it's showtime. Here's where the real magic happens. Choose an animation from the impressive list available. Choose the best animation for your character, such as dance movements, funny movements, jumping, or walking. You can also add narration and a story using ChatGPT and AI voiceover tools like Synthesia, Hagen, and AI Studios. Step 7, when everything is set, click that zoom button and choose download to save your animation video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me. I can't wait to see you in the next thrilling AI tutorial video. Until then, take care, stay inspired, and keep creating. Bye bye.